Welcome back to Doer of Things. Today what we're going to do is figure out how to stop a bathroom faucet leak. As you can see, I've got the water turned off here and the faucet is continuing to leak. So to fix this, the first thing we're going to do is go up underneath the sink and test the water. First thing I'm going to do is turn the cold water off. Still leaking. I'm going to turn the hot water off, and that solved it. So what we know is we've got to fix something in the hot water handle. To take the handle off, what we're going to do is get an Allen key, and this looks like about the right size, and you're just going to, there's a little screw in here, and you're just going to unscrew it. Until you can pop the handle off. Once you got the handle off, you see there's this little plastic washer here. What you're going to want to do is unscrew that. Take the finishing piece off, and then give that a little twist and it ought to come right out. This is the piece that we're going to have to replace, so we're going to take this to Home Depot and get one that matches it. So this is what we got. And this looks like a good match right here. So we're going to give that a shot. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the new cartridge that we got, put it right in there, hand tighten it. It's got a hand tighten. Take your pliers, tighten it down. Put the fixture back on. And tighten the little plastic ring. Tighten that down. Replace the screw that was on top. Put the handle back on. Use the Allen key to tighten it back up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn the hot water back on underneath the sink. See, it's not dripping. And that's how you fix a leaking bathroom faucet. Good as new. Be sure to smash that like button. We'll see you next time.